Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add Lamborghini Urus in GTA 5, updated. Start by backing up your game files, install OpenRoman 4, enable edit mode, and download the proper Urus mod files. Ensure you have the latest game patch compatible with the mod and read the mod instructions carefully. Close Rockstar Launcher while installing, replace the car, meta and vehicles, RPF entries, and verify in-game after a clean game launch. Begin by extracting the mod archive into a temporary folder and locating the vehicles, RPF or DLC packs entries. Open OpenRoman 4, switch to edit mode, and import the model texture and meta files exactly where the mod README specifies. If the mod uses a DLC pack, add it to dlclist. XML correctly. After installing, clear cache and launch the game to test spawning the Urus via trainer or spawn command. If the Urus does not appear or causes errors, revert to your backup immediately and reinstall step by step. Look for missing texture or model errors in the OpenRoman 4 log and confirm you used the correct game folder. Update any required ASI loaders or trainers and test with a clean save to isolate conflicts. Re-download the mod from the original source if files seem corrupted or incomplete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.